Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to create a logo for your YouTube channel. Before I go to Canva and start creating a logo for a YouTube channel, first I need to know the required dimensions of logos on YouTube. To know that, click on, go to customization from this YouTube Studio dashboard. If you don't know how to arrive at this page, just go to studio.youtube.com. After landing on this page, just click on customization from this left side menu, and below picture, this is the recommended logo dimensions. So it should be a square. I will go with 1000 x 1000. Now go to canva.com, create a free account on Canva, and let's say that you want to create a logo for a gaming channel. Just look for or search for gaming. Now you have lots of gaming designs that you can use. Designs or templates that have this pro tag are unfortunately paid and not available for the free accounts on Canva. This is a good logo, but it requires the pro version of Canva. I think you can get 30 days of pro version, and after that you can cancel it, so you can get this design if you like it for your photo, for your logo. This is a free design that we can use. Let's click on it. Click on this customize this template button. Now what I will do is I will remove this black background. So I will select it with my mouse and hit delete on my keyboard. Now this is a good square, so I will make it bigger. So I will download this design. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that I have a YouTube online course that you can get access today for free. Inside this YouTube basics course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with your YouTube channel. For example, how to create your channel, verify it, edit your channel name and banner, create your logo. You will also learn how to create content and upload it to YouTube. For example, how to make an intro for a YouTube video, how to write scripts, how to record laptop screen, and many things. Video optimization and management is also included. Inside it, you will learn how to replace audio in a YouTube video, how to add a link in a video description, how to add a subscribe button on a YouTube video. You will also learn how to grow and manage your channel, technical and security settings, and integration and external sharing. To get access to all of this today for free, and also these online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. I will download this design. Click on download. Let's open this logo. Now, as you can see, unfortunately, it has a white background. To remove this white background, I will use this online tool called Photopea.com. It's an alternative to Photoshop. Just drag and move it to this place on Photopea. Now, let's use this magic wand, select the background and hit delete on my keyboard. Now let's this photo and make sure that it's a PNG to have a transparent background. Go back to your YouTube channel. I will switch to another YouTube channel to show you how to upload your logo on YouTube. I've switched to another YouTube channel. Now click on this upload button. Locate your new logo, the latest version. You can select part of your logo or of your image or the entire image, just like that. And what's inside this circle is what will be seen on all devices. Click on this done button. Don't forget to click on this publish button to publish your logo. Let's check my YouTube And this is how to create a logo for your YouTube channel. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.